Hi, I'm Florence Livingston, the interior designer of this lovely newly built home for a young family here in San Rafael, California. This project is a result of a great collaboration between the clients, the contractor, and myself. We envisioned a simple but fresh California-style interior with a little bit of a twist. This home needs to be a family home, so we brought in elements like performance fabrics on the sofa, easy to care for rugs, and we brought in a table that extends to become a really large dining table for all their regular family gatherings. For the main bedroom, we worked with a soft color palette for a peaceful and serene environment. We have white linen drapes with beautiful light filtering through and wonderful texture. The bathrooms in this home are so wonderful and fun. We used a mix of cement tiles, natural stone, ceramic tiles, all in a soft color palette with accents of brass metal or black metal. The family is very happy with the results, and they now get to enjoy every single part of their new home. If you want to find out more about my work or you have your own remodel project, you can find me online at florencelivingston.com or on Instagram at Florence Livingston.